A rarely available front water view home in Foxwood gives this unit a park-like setting to come home to. The tastefully renovated detached standalone villa is one of the largest floor plans in the neighborhood. The volume ceilings in the great room plus a wood-burning fireplace combined, with a lake view in front of the home, make this unit stand out above the others. Recent updates begin with new kitchen cabinets, new appliances, and granite countertops. Luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the great room and master bedroom complements the tile floors in the rest of the home. The bathrooms have updated cabinets, sink and plus new shower in the master bath. A new roof in 2023 plus newer windows, air conditioner system, hot water tank, garage door, and storm-rated sliding door round out the investments you will enjoy. The development offers a pool and hot tub, clubhouse, and shuffleboard, bocce, tennis and is close to the beaches, restaurants that provide a wonderful Florida lifestyle.